Every year in Bali, just before the island enters its most sacred day of silence, something extraordinary appears in the streets. Giant statues rise above the crowds. Some are terrifying, some are playful, and some are incredibly detailed works of art. These figures are called Ogoh-Ogoh, and they play an important role in Balinese culture leading up to Nyepi, the Balinese Day of Silence. Nyepi marks the Balinese New Year according to the Saka calendar. Unlike most New Year celebrations around the world, Nyepi is not about fireworks or parties. Instead, the entire island pauses. For 24 hours, there are no flights, no traffic, no work, and very little light. It's a day dedicated to reflection, meditation, and restoring balance. But before that silence arrives, there is first a powerful cultural ritual. And that ritual involves the Ogoh-Ogoh. Ogoh-Ogoh represent Bhuta Kala, spiritual forces in Balinese Hindu belief that symbolise chaos, negativity, and imbalance in the world. Rather than ignoring these forces, the Balinese give them a physical form. By creating these statues and bringing them into the streets, the community symbolically confronts the negative energy before the new year begins. In villages across Bali, the responsibility of building the Ogoh-Ogoh usually belongs to the young men of the community, known as the Sika Toruna or Banja. For weeks and sometimes months leading up to Nyepi, they work together designing and constructing these enormous figures. Traditionally, the statues were built from bamboo, paper and cloth, and today many are made using foam or carved details and vibrant paint. Some represent demons from Balinese mythology, and others reflect modern stories or social issues. Each one is unique, and each village takes great pride in its creation. During the parade, the roles are also very traditional. It's the men who carry and move the Ogoh-Ogoh statues through the streets, and the women and girls play a different role. They walk alongside the procession, carrying torches, lighting the path and helping guide the way. Together, the entire community becomes a part of the ritual. On the night before Nyepi, the Ogoh-Ogohs are carried through the villages and cities in large processions. The statues are lifted high and moved through the streets. They are often spun and shaken and turned in different directions. This movement is believed to confuse and drive away the negative spirits. It's loud and energetic and full of life, the complete opposite of the silence that will follow the next day. Traditionally, many Ogoh-Ogoh are then burned at the end of the night. This is the final act, representing purification, the destruction of the negative energy before the new year begins. Once the ritual is complete, Bali prepares for Nyepi, and when the sun rises the next morning, the entire island becomes still. To visitors, the Ogoh-Ogoh might look like a parade or a festival, but for the Balinese, they represent something much deeper, a moment for the community to come together, acknowledge the chaos in the world, and symbolically clear it away. So when Nyepi arrives, the island can begin the new year in balance, in silence, and in peace.